What's going on, everybody? I usually don't do videos about Tesla car updates, but this one was a little bit special. It's something that I've been waiting for and looking forward to for a while. They have finally added an in-car Dashcam Viewer, and this will make viewing Sentry clips and dashboard clips much easier. If you watch my video about my Sentry Mode and Dashcam setup, I was using a SSD and would just plug it into my phone and try to view clips on there, but now I'm able to view them on this giant touchscreen and actually see the clips a little bit better, and it's much easier than trying to plug it into your computer as well and try to view them on there. So without further ado, let's take a look. So first thing you might notice about this update is the Sentry icon is now different. It's now a red dot with little white lines around it versus the howl symbol that we had in the old version of Sentry Mode. So that has now been changed. So first let's look at the release notes and actually see what Tesla says about this. So the Dashcam Viewer, watch saved Dashcam clips or Sentry Mode events directly from the touchscreen with the Dashcam Viewer. To launch, tap the Dashcam icon in the status bar and select Launch Viewer while the car is in park. If the car is in drive, you will continue to save a clip by tapping the icon. Okay, so let's take a look at that. Close our settings here. We'll go up to our Sentry icon up here. Oh, that is the Sentry icon. I need to click the Dashcam here. So let's launch our viewer here. Alright, looks like it had to buffer a little bit there, but I just kind of did a walk around the car just to get Sentry Mode to trigger. So this looks like it's the most recent one. Looks like there's me getting out of the car to move my camera around. So essentially a setup it looks like we got here is we've got our main screen that shows whatever view we've selected, and then we can switch around the different views by clicking the views here. So right now there's the front, there's the right side where I'm hopping in the car to move my camera around, there's the rear, and there's the left side where we started. Looks like we can also scrub through this. Not sure if it's live or not. So the left and the right, they look like it's the view from sitting in the car. So yeah, left side would be the driver's side where I came out of. So there I am trying to get Sentry Mode to work. Here I come back. There's the front view. And as I walk around, there I am trying to break into my own car. Trying to get Sentry Mode to trigger. Looks like I got it to work there. And there I am, waving to the camera. So nothing too advanced here. Looks like a pretty self-explanatory setup. You can sort by either all of them, Sentry Mode, Dashcam. Nothing too crazy here. Here's a little shot of the Dashcam. Yep, so there is the Dashcam. This will definitely make viewing clips and such much easier. Again, just to walk through that again, you tap the Dashcam icon here, hit Launch Viewer, and that brings up your viewer, and then you can sort through whatever clips you want to. Okay, another thing I just noticed is if you get a Sentry Mode event reported, usually when I hop in my car, I leave my car parked outside. I know it isn't good, but it happens. You'll get a Sentry Mode event reported here. Usually it'll just say however many events occurred, but now you've got to tap to view. So it looks like we can bring up the viewer directly from that Sentry screen, or Sentry alert. Brings you to the latest Sentry clip. So looks like this is the past 7 minutes or so, the clip I've been showing in the video. But that's a nice little feature as well. Tesla's constantly innovating and changing software and improving it, and that's one of the things I like about them. So that about wraps it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want me to do more videos like this where I'm walking through the latest software updates in my Tesla, definitely let me know. I have no opposition to doing those videos. I just don't know how many people would actually find them valuable. So, but if you like this video, I can definitely do more. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.